Hello friends, let's crochet together a little butterfly fish. We need 2 colors of yarn and the size of my hook is 1.6. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and we start the second round in the first loop of the first round. We make 2 single crochets and increase in the third loop. 2 single crochets in one loop. And repeat. 1 in the next loop, 2 and increase. And there are 8 loops in the second round. In the third round we make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, then we make 4 increases, the third increase and the last one, and 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and there are 12 loops in the round. In the next round we make 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 4 increases, the first increase, the second increase, the third, and the last one, and 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can make a marker to see the beginning of the round, and in the next round we make increase and 3 single crochets. Increase, 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3. And there are 20 loops in this round.